Hello students, welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Myself Sneha Pemberti. Students, in last period we are going to study about questions. So once again we are going to revise that questions, then we will go further. Okay? Now in the last period what we have seen? We have seen that there are the two girls, they are going to convert with each other. Who are they? They are Richa and Meena, because Meena, she was a new student in the class 3. So Richa wants to become her friend. Then they are going to conversing. We have seen that one. That Richa is asking to Meena, what is your name? Then Meena has given the reply that hi, my name is Meena. Means the conversation means that they are going to clarify, means they are going to discussing with each other, they are getting the information about each other. Now we have seen that in the sentence that end with the question marks are questions. See here that Richa is asking to Meena that one, will you be my friend? See here after the sentence, here you can see question mark. So what they said that the sentence that ends with question mark are questions. You can see here after ending a sentence you have seen question mark. So what is this? This is a question. When we are asking the question, that time, or when we are writing the question, that time we are given the question mark. Now here Richa asked Meena a few questions. We also ask questions to know about something. Why we are asking the questions? I have given last period only I have said that one, that we are asking the questions because we want to get the something about the knowledge, or something we can get the information. That's why we are asking the questions. Now here we see when we ask questions we use words. I have told you that one, that some question words are there. With the help of the question words we can form a questions. Which are they? We can see that the words like what, who, where, how and which. These are called question words. These are called question words. So with the help of these question words we can form question and we can ask that one. And after this one we have studied about the next, about first question we have seen that one. Here a question has given that Suhana has met Mihika for first time. Then make question that they ask each other. Use the question words given in the bracket. See here last period only I have told you that one. Here the conversation going on between the Suhana and Mihika. They both are the third standard students. So Mihika and Suhana, she meet Mihika first time. So the conversation is going on. They are asking the question. Suhana is asking the question and Mihika giving the reply. So here last period we have write down the questions here, that with the help of this bracket. Okay. Now today we are going to the next question. So friends, students, open your grammar textbook, page number 10. Here see that one. Before we start the question, that while frame the question, the sentences start with the first letter, it should be the capital letter, and after the sentence end we have giving the question mark. This is the rule for when we form the question. Now here some rules are there. We can see sometimes we can form questions by making some changes in the sentence. See here sometimes what will happen, we can make the changes to form questions. See here for example, first one, what is that? You will be my friend. Is it the question? No. What is the question? So what it happened that it has the some changes we have done. What changes we have done that one? So first we have taken the will. Then after that, after will, you it will come. Then as it is the sentence we can form. So what the question we can form? The question is that will you be my friend? This like a question we can make while some changes we have to do while frame the or while form the questions. Okay. Next here we can see that one will is put before you. You can see some changes has done that one. Will has put before you. So these changes we can do while form a questions. Second example is Meena was present in class yesterday. So is it the question? No. So what is the question? See here again we have to change that one, that was we have to take before Meena. Was we have to take or was we have to put before Meena. So what the question we can form? The question is like that, was Meena present in class yesterday? See, while asking the question you have to change your tune also, that one. First one is Meena was present in the class yesterday. See, while we have to form a question, it will not come to the tune that one, that some changes we can do. So while asking the question, see here again, was Meena present in the class yesterday? So this is the question. When we are asking the question, some changes we can do here. Here again we have seen that one, was is put before Meena. So these changes we can do sometimes when we form a questions. Okay. Now next B question we are going to solve today. That what it is given, first we are going to read this question carefully. Students, don't write anything until and unless I am not going to say to write it. You just listen carefully, understand it properly, then you have to write the answer. Okay. First listen this what I am going to say, then you have to copy the answer. Okay. Shall we start? See the question. Make question from the following sentence by changing the position of the words printed in bold. See here in the question we have to change in the sentence we have to change something, that some word it has given in the bold, that we have to keep in the first. Then we have to change some changing we have to do in the sentence to form a questions. See here, put question mark at the end. It is I have told every time that one, that after ending the questions you have to put the question mark. So whatever it is given in the bold, that we have to change, that word we have to change in the sentence. For example, it is given the baby was sleeping. Here the baby was sleeping, was this word has given in the bold. This word has given in the bold. So what it is the question that one? The sentence. See again, once again I am going to read. Make questions from the following sentence by changing the position of the word printed in the bold. In bold. See here, which word has given in the bold printed, that word we have to change that position we have to change in the sentence. So first example is what? The baby was sleeping. The baby was sleeping. So here the was, this word it is in the bold. So the position of this word we have to change. So what the question it will come? The question is like that, was the baby sleeping? See the changes of the sentence. That first what they are asking, the baby was sleeping. So when we have to change the word position we have to change. Then again what the form of the question we can see that one, was the baby sleeping? See after that changing the word we have to give the question mark. What it has done? it has done that the word which is given in the bold, that we have to take first. We have to put that word before whatever the sentence has started. Here was, it is put first before the baby. So the changes has happened like this, that the was the baby sleeping. Okay. Now the first one we are going to, these questions we are going to solve that one. There are 12 questions are there, one by one we are going to see. First one is Jyoti will sing. Is it the question? No. What it has given, that which word has given in the bold printed, that position of the word position we have to change. Okay. Now here see, first one Jyoti will sing. So what the question we can form? Yes. Okay. Answer will you say? Keep trying in your own. Don't write it in your book. Just keep trying in your own mind. Yes, correct. So first one it will come will. So what the question we can form? The answer is, will Jyoti sing? This is the question we can form. What the answer is? See. First one we are going to take that word which are given in the bold printed. We have to change the position of that word. Okay. First what it will come? First it will come will. So while writing the sentence, while form the question, first letter it should be capital. Always I am going to say that one. Here will, W is the capital. So while here is the small letter it is given, but when we have to start the sentence, first letter it should be the capital. Okay. Now here W is the capital. So the question is, will Jyoti sing? Now again Jyoti is given. In Jyoti we can see J, it should be the capital. Why it is capital? Because it is the name of a girl. So the next lesson we are going to see about when we have to use the capital letters, when we have to use the small letters, that I will discuss with the next chapter, that is fourth lesson, we will see in that one. Okay. Now here Jyoti, in Jyoti, J also I am going to write in the capital. Jyoti sing. After that we will give question mark. So what the question is, that Jyoti, will Jyoti sing? Okay. The question form we have sentence, here we have changed that one. Will Jyoti sing? Then afterwards we will give question mark. Okay. Now don't write it, just listen. I will give you some time, then you have to copy this answer in your grammar textbook. First you have to listen. Okay. Next one is, what the question is here, that the school is closed. What is this? The school is closed. Nowadays for the lockdown we are going to close our school, but online we are going to start the classes. So the school is closed. Here is this word, it is given in the bold. So what we have to do? We have to change the position of that word and we have to form a question. So what is the question it will form? Here the word which is given in the bold, that we have to take, we have to put that word in first. So here is, it is in the bold. This word is given in the bold printed. So is, it will come first. And while writing again I am going to say that one, first letter it should be capital. Is, then as it is that the school closed. Again don't repeat is like that, because is we have taken first. We have changed the position of the word, because, and then is it will come first. Then what it will come? After is, what it will come? The school. And is we have taken first, so don't write it once again. Then after is, what it is there? Closed. And after end the sentence, what we have to do? We are giving the question mark. So what the question we have for? is the school closed? The question form is like that. Is the school closed? Okay. Now for the going to the third one. Third one is what? It was raining in the morning. Now the rainy season is going on. We have seen that one. Sometimes it is raining, sometimes we are feeling very hot. Okay. Now the question is what? So the sentence is that it was raining in the morning. We have to change the position of the word, then we have to form a question. First what we will see? We are going to see the word, which word has given in the board. That word which has given in the board printed, that we have to take, we have to put that word in first. So here was it is given in the board printed, that word we are going to take first one. Here was, after was, what before the was, what it is given? It. So that after was here we are going to write it. Then as it is in the sentence, that raining in the morning. Then question mark. Okay. So what the question we are from here? That was it raining in the morning? Then question mark. Okay. Now coming up to the fourth one. The puppy was hungry. Here again, while from the question, I have told you word which is given in the board printed, that we have to take first. So here was, it will come first. Then before was, what it has given? The puppy. Then we have to write the puppy after here, the after was. Was the puppy. Here was it is given, but what we have done? We have took this was word before. We have put this word first here, then the puppy we wrote here, and after was what it is given? Hungry. So the puppy hungry. Question mark. So what the question form here? Was the puppy hungry? Then question. Okay. Coming up to the fifth one. Avni's handwriting is very tidy. What it is that? Avni's handwriting is very tidy. Here the handwriting of Avni is very tidy, it is given. So we have to form a question. Then while form the question, we have to see what? The bold word, which the word which is given in the bold printed, that we have to take first. Here is this word, it is in the bold printed, so that word we are going to take first. Here in is, I, it has given the small. Avni's handwriting is very tidy. Is here, I, it is in small, so first letter I we have to write in the capital. Is, then after is what it will come? Again we have to go the name of here, Avni's handwriting. Here again Avni, this is the name of a girl. I have told you, when we are writing the name of some persons, place, things, that time we have to start with the capital letters, that we will see the next lesson. Now here again Avni's A also we have to write in the capital. Apostrophe S. Avni's handwriting here is, it is there. What we have done? We have put this is first here, then don't write it once again. Then after is what it is there? Very tidy. Then question. So what the question we have formed here? We have formed here that is Avni's handwriting very tidy? Then question mark. Okay. Next, sixth one. Mohan was happy. This is very simple sentence, like the first one we have seen that Jyoti will sing. So again here we can see Mohan was happy. So what we have to do? We have to see the bold printed word that we have to put first. So here was, it will come first. Then before was, what it has given? Mohan. Again here Mohan, M we have to write capital because it is the name of a person. Then after was, will we write here was? No, because this word we have put here first time. So we don't repeat this word again here. Okay. After was, what it is given? Happy. So this word we have to write it here. Then question mark. The question form is like this. Was Mohan happy? Then question mark. Now the seventh one is Rahul is a good boy. Here in the Rahul is a good boy, it is given in the bold printed. So again we have to take is. Here I, it is in the small letter, we have to write it here capital. Is, then before is, what it is given? Name of a person, that is what? Rahul. After is, what it is given? A good boy. Then question mark. Okay. Now the question form is like this. Is Rahul a good boy? Then question mark. Okay. Now eighth one. The boys were playing. See, when you are missing this playing everything now for the lockdown. Here the boys were playing. Here where this word it has given in the printed. So what we have to do? We have to put that word before the boys. So answer is like this. Where W is in the small, so we have to write in the capital. Where the boys playing? Question mark. Okay. These are the answer you can note down in your grammar textbook. Once again I am going to say this one. First one is Jyoti will sing. Again what we have done? The question is given that make question form the following sentence by the changing the position of the words printed in bold. Put question mark at the end. So what we have done? We have to do the word which is given in the bold printed, we have to change the position of that word, and after ending the sentence what we have to give? We have to give the question mark. Like that with the help of this question we have changes the sentence. Okay, and we have formed the questions. Here one by one we have solved. Once again I am going to say this one. Here first Jyoti will sing. What we have done? The word which is given in the bold that we have to put first. So the question form is like that. Will Jyoti sing? Then we have given the question mark. Now the second one is the school is closed. Here again which word it is given in the bold printed that we have to put first one. Now is the school closed? Then question mark. Okay. Now coming up to the third one. It was raining in the morning. Now here we have seen that one was this word it has given in the bold. What we have to do? We have to do that one, that the word which is given in the bold printed, that we have to put in the first in the sentence. So while form the sentence, first letter it should be the capital. Keep these rules in your mind, that one. Whenever we are form the question, first letter it should be the capital. Okay. Now here that, was it raining in the morning? After that we are giving the question mark. Okay. Fourth one, the puppy was hungry. Okay. Now here see that one, we have changed the position of the words and we have formed the question. Okay. Was the puppy hungry? Then question mark we have given. Now Avni's handwriting is very tidy. Here we are going to see that one is, it is given in a small. So I, it is a small letter, we have seen that one. We have to put, while writing the form the sentence, we have to, what we have to do? Whenever we are going to start the sentence, the first letter it should be the capital. So I, here we have to write capital. Okay. Is Avni's. Avni also, this is the name of a girl, name of a person. So whenever we have to write the name of person, that time we have to write in the capital, first letter it is in the capital. Okay. Is Avni's handwriting very tidy? Then question mark we have given. Now for the sixth one, we have seen that one, Mohan was happy. So while form the question, we have to just see that one, the word which is given in the bold printed, that word we have to put the first before the sentence. Okay, before start the sentence. Now here the, was Mohan happy? Question mark. Okay. Now the seventh one is, Rahul is a good boy. Here we can see that one, that again is, it is given in the small. So I, we have write here capital letter. Is Rahul a good boy? Then question mark we can give. Okay. Now again we have seen that one, Rahul, R, it is in the capital. Why? Because this is the name of a person. So whenever we are writing the name of a person, that time that first letter we have to write in the capital. Okay. Now the last one here on this page, eighth one, the boys were playing. So what the question we can form? We can form the question like this, were the boys playing? Then question mark. So students, today we have seen about on the page number 10 that how sometimes we have to change, while form the question we have to change change the words sometimes in the questions, then we can form a question. Now we have seen that one, with the help of the changing the words we have some examples we have solved here. Okay. Now in the next period we are going to see remaining examples that related to the same question. Okay. Now what is your homework is that you have to read whatever the question and including with this answer, you have to read this all and try to understand that while form the question how we have to change the position of the words and how we have the form the question. Okay. Thank you.